Hey, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Here we have a Sony XM5 headphones. Typical problem right in this area, starts to crack and can become separated and cause the headphones to be unwearable. We have a repair kit that has been custom designed. Also, they're made right here in the USA. These are custom parts, not your typical plastic injection molded parts. These are heavy duty, they're thick, and they're built to reinforce this area and also repair the area if it is broken. There are 8 pieces included in this kit, so it is good to repair or reinforce both sides, the left and right side. And they're very easy to install. Here is the 2 inside pieces. You would connect them together and then insert them on the inside area. And make sure that they are in there nice and snug. Then you would take the outside bottom piece, and this just kind of slides right in there. It should look something like this. Then take the top outside piece and connect it to the bottom piece. And once all the pieces are in place, you're going to need to kind of adjust the headband slightly here and there. You might need to turn it, rotate it a little bit, and get these parts to line up. And once you do get them lined up, you would install the screws that come with the kit and also use our tool as well that is included with the kit. And make sure you don't over tighten these screws. You do not want to strip out the plastic or the screw heads. So nice and snug is good. These parts do have a bit of a rough texture to them. They don't have a smooth, shiny finish like your typical plastic injection molded parts. They have a matte black color and a durable, rugged texture. So you can tell that they are quality parts when you hold them and install them. And these also have a lifetime warranty, so if they do fail you at any point, we got you covered. We fully back our products 100%. We only have the black color, which does somewhat blend in nicely with the black headphones. A huge advantage of using these parts to repair or reinforce this area is that you don't have to dismantle your entire headphones and replace the whole headband assembly, which is quite technical and could cause actually more harm than good. There's small connections that can break, and if you're not a very technical person, you could actually end up just completely damaging the headphones to where they won't function any longer. So this repair makes it very easy for anyone to do it. You do not need to have any technical skills, and it's cost effective, so you don't have to go out and buy a $350, $450 pair of headphones for a fraction of that price. You could just repair your own and save yourself some money. So once again, you can order this kit from us, centralsound.co. There is a link in the description, and I'll also pin a link in the comments, and includes the tool and everything you need to make this repair.